Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change RGB color on HyperX QuadCast 2 in 2026. So first of all, HyperX QuadCast 2 supports customizable RGB lighting through the software. So the software here is called the HyperX Engine. So in order to download and install it on your device, you need to first of all open Microsoft Store. Here you need to search for HyperX Engine here in the search bar. When you are able to find the software, simply click on the option of get and install it on your device. Now, after doing this, before even launching the HyperX Engine software, you just have to plug your QuadCast 2 into your PC using the USB cable. Just wait for it to be detected by the system and Engine. Now you just have to launch the Engine application on your device. Over here, you just have to select the option of microphone from the dashboard. Now here, you just have to look for the option of lightning or the RGB section. So it is going to look something like this. So when you are inside the effects and the RGB section, you just have to basically take a look at some of the settings. Like you can choose the static color, you can apply the lighting effects like breathing or cycle. You can also adjust the brightness and the speed here. Then you can select your preferred color and apply the changes. Just make sure that you save or apply your settings so that they remain active. Some profiles can also be saved for different setups. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.